Today, I'm going to share with you 10 of my all-time favorite Mediterranean diet weight loss recipes that helped me to lose 50 pounds and have also helped thousands of others to lose weight and keep it off in our Mediterranean diet weight loss program. When I first went to the Mediterranean, I went there to learn how the healthiest people in the world live and eat. And I went specifically to the Greek island of Crete, where they have the highest longevity rates in the world. They also have the lowest rates of heart disease and cancer and diabetes, and they had very low rates of obesity. And this is because of the way that they eat and the way that they live. We're going to talk more about that as we go through the recipes, but let's start with my top 10 favorite Mediterranean recipes for weight loss. Our first recipe is one that you may have seen in the last few years on social media. It's baked feta pasta with cherry tomatoes and peppers. And a lot of people think that you can't lose weight if you're eating pasta, but studies have shown that eating pasta actually can be really good for weight loss. It's not so much about eating the pasta, but what's around the pasta. So you always want to have pasta with lots of veggies and some sort of protein, so less pasta and more of everything else. And so that's why this recipe is perfect, because it has feta cheese and it also has vegetables. And so it's really a full meal. It's traditional in Italy to have pasta, but always have a lot of vegetables and a small amount of protein. So you could have this meal and have a salad on the side or another cooked vegetable. Super delicious. The next recipe is Marry Me Beans. And this recipe might be surprising to you, not because of the beans. Beans are kind of like weight loss gold. They're high in fiber, they're low in calories, and they really fill you up. And so the beans are amazing. But it's also a recipe that is high in fat. And a lot of people still think that eating fat is going to be bad for weight loss. But when I lost 50 pounds, I ate a lot of fat. And all the people in our weight loss programs also eat a lot of fat. The difference is that like if you go to McDonald's and eat a lot of fat, you're also eating a lot of processed foods and a lot of sugar. But if you're eating the Mediterranean diet, you're eating lots of vegetables, lots of beans, and lots of fiber, and you're eating a lot of fat. And that is like the perfect combination for weight loss. And so Marry Me Beans has different types of fat in it. Usually in the Mediterranean diet, it's high in olive oil. But this one also has heavy cream and butter and olive oil. And that's okay. It's not something you'd want to have all the time, but it's going to fill you up and it's delicious. All of these recipes are super easy. And if you want to get more recipes and some meal plans, check out our 3-day Mediterranean diet meal plan for weight loss in the link below. Next is one of my favorite salad recipes. It's called a Greek chop salad, and it's basically a Greek salad that's chopped up. And the reason that this makes it more delicious is that, you know, when you have a salad and you have like a huge piece of lettuce and you just end up with that piece of lettuce and it's like getting all over your face and stuff and it's like dripping on the floor. No, here you get small forkfuls of delicious salad in every single bite. And the other thing is that it's full of fiber again, it's very filling, it has olives and feta cheese and lots of olive oil. Again, this could be a full meal. This could be something that you could eat bread with on the side. If you do eat bread, the best bread for weight loss usually is sourdough bread because it has a lower effect on your glycemic index than regular bread, and so you don't have these big sugar spikes that could lead to cravings. So a small piece of bread with chop salad is super delicious. Next, we have a soup recipe. It's creamy cauliflower soup. Now, do you remember the cabbage soup diet where you would only eat cabbage soup for like weeks on end and you would lose a lot of weight and then of course you'd start eating regular again and gain all the weight back? That's not what this is about. Creamy cauliflower soup is really delicious. It's something you're going to enjoy and it's very filling. It's cauliflower and potatoes and broth and it's all pureed and it's super delicious. But the thing is that a lot of people think that potatoes are bad for weight loss. Not true. When I lost 50 pounds, I ate lots of potatoes It's more about how much stuff you put on it, like putting on tons of cheese and bacon bits and all that kind of stuff, which is pretty much not Mediterranean. But if you're just eating a potato and you're putting olive oil on it, you can still put some cheese on it, but not pack it. But for this recipe, it makes a nice puree with the cauliflower soup. And once you have the soup, you can add a dollop of yogurt to it. And yogurt is great because it's fermented and it's also a probiotic. And probiotics help your gut. And guess what? The more that your gut microbiome is working, the easier it is to lose weight and keep it off. Now we're going to talk about one of my favorite foods, tuna. Now, tuna has been used for years in all kinds of weight loss recipes. This one is tuna patties fried in olive oil. Now again, people might think that something that's fried is not going to be good for a weight loss recipe. But in this case, the olive oil is going to go into the tuna patty. It will add some calories, but it's also going to add that healthy fat that is going to fill you up and help you lose weight. The other thing that I love about this recipe is that it's all food that you can get from your pantry. So like if you come home one night and you're too tired and you still want to eat healthy, but all of a sudden you look over and you see all this like food that's simple but really not good for weight loss, you can quickly throw this recipe together anytime. So, tuna, breadcrumbs, eggs, these are things that most people have in their fridge. And it's a super easy recipe to make. Next, we have quinoa salad with cucumbers and olives. Now, there's a lot of interesting things about quinoa. First of all, quinoa is not really a grain. It's considered a pseudo cereal. And so if you think of other pseudo cereals like Count Chocula and Lucky Charms and Fruit Loops, it's not really a cereal, it's actually a seed. And as with all seeds, it's actually high in protein. So quinoa is a really great food to eat when you're trying to lose weight because it's high in protein, it's fairly low in calories, and if it's in a salad like this, it also has, like in this salad, it has lots of vegetables and it's really a full meal. This is another one that you could have like something like the cauliflower soup on the side or like a light broth soup, and you'll have a really fulfilling and satisfying lunch. Now let's go from lunch to breakfast. The next recipe is a spinach omelette with mushrooms. And the great thing about having an omelet is that it has a lot of protein in it. And studies have shown that having higher protein at breakfast is going to help with weight loss because you're less likely to have cravings throughout the day. And it's more likely to fill you up until lunch so you don't have to have a lot of snacks. And also, just so you know, a lot of people still think that eggs are something that aren't really good for you and that you shouldn't eat a lot of. But even though eggs are higher in cholesterol, we now know that dietary cholesterol does not directly affect your body cholesterol. So you can have 3 to 4 servings of eggs throughout the week. Speaking of high protein, let's now go to dinner for cod with tomato sauce. Now, fish is something that is often used for weight loss. We already talked about tuna fish, but fish is really great because it's high in protein and it's low in calories and it's very filling. So you can have this cod with tomato sauce, maybe with a salad on the side, and this could definitely be something that you have over and over again over a period of time as you're trying to lose weight. If you're really interested in trying to lose weight using the Mediterranean diet, remember to check out our Mediterranean Diet weight loss program that is in our Mediterranean Diet portal. We have all kinds of great meal plans and recipes and videos and lots of tips and techniques to lose weight like I did and keep it off for decades. And staying on the subject of higher protein meals, the next one has a lot of really great protein in it. It's chicken and chickpea salad with fresh basil dressing. Besides the chicken and the chickpeas, it also has walnuts in it. Now, walnuts are a really great plant-based protein that is higher in fat, so you don't want to eat tons of them, but if you have a small amount, it's really great for weight loss. And the other great thing about this recipe is that it has a lot of plant ingredients in it. And studies have shown that if you eat at least 30 different types of plants throughout the week, that it greatly improves your gut microbiome. And a healthy gut microbiome makes it easier to lose weight in the long run and to keep the weight off. If you want to make this recipe even easier, instead of using cooked chicken, you can use rotisserie chicken. And with the canned chickpeas and the other vegetables that are pretty easy to make, it makes for a very quick and delicious salad. Before we get to the last recipe, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments below your #1 health goals. And I saved one of my favorite recipes for last, sizzling lemon garlic shrimp. Now this recipe, like many of the other recipes, are high in protein and high in fat. They go great with a salad. You can also have some bread with this because it has a lot of olive oil and garlic, and you can dip your bread in it, which makes it super delicious. Of course, if you're trying to lose weight, you don't want to have too much bread, but 1 slice of bread is perfect for this. And this is a really kind of extravagant dish. It's something you could serve to guests. It's also another one of those great pantry dishes where you can just freeze some shrimp and grab it anytime you want and make it very quickly and have a delicious weight loss meal. I hope you try some of these delicious Mediterranean diet weight loss recipes, and all the links to the recipes are below. And remember that if you want to try the 3-day Mediterranean diet meal plan, the link for that is below too. And as always, remember to live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion. See you next time.